Epictetus, one of the best Stoic philosophers, once said, "Imagine being able to use this wisdom as a shield against the chaos in the world, especially when dealing with a bully and challenging individuals. How to deal with a boss who likes to put you down, a family member who likes drama, or anyone else who seems to drain your spirit. Stoicism is the answer." The Stoics had a secret tool that helped them not only stay alive, but also stand strong in bad weather. You shouldn't fight fire with fire. Instead, you should arm yourself with Stoic wisdom to protect yourself from the evil that narcissists love to spread. Today, we're not just going over old ground. We're using Stoic ideas to deal with giants of today. Using Stoicism to get through the emotional minefields narcissists lay down, this video will show you how to not only survive, but also thrive around them.